Welcome to our channel Sports and Life. Today what we are going to see is India versus New Zealand first T20 match preview. Along with that we are going to see few cricket news along with few funny tweets. So coming to squad, we have Rohit Sharma as captain. I think he will be continuing as captain till next few World Cups, and he's a very good white ball cricketer. Along with that, my favorite Kamal Lajawab Rahul, he is in as vice captain. So uh, I think Ruturaj may have to wait, or he has to wait at least for a couple of matches because there is no opening slot over there. Even Ishan Kishan plays top of the order, so that's why I also don't prefer him. Apart from that, if Ishan Kishan plays at some middle order or something, I think he will be getting his chance. Otherwise, I think it will be really tough. Along with that, we can see a few more debutants in bowling department. That's Harshal Patel, the Purple Patel. Along with that, we have Avesh Khan, who is around 26 and has been bowling at his best right now. So these are the players. Along with that, we have only two all-rounders. I think both of them deserve a chance to be there in the team. And what 11 I am going to have is that they both will be there in the team. Otherwise I will be short of bowler, and all the bowlers have to bowl 4 hours, so I don't want to take that risk. Since the match is in Savai Mansingh Stadium, I am going only with one spinner. So my team would something look like this: Rohit Sharma, Rahul, Sky, Shreyas Iyer, Punt, Venkatesh Iyer, Akshar Patel, Harshal Patel, Deepak, Yasvinder Chahal, and Siraj. So if Deepak and Siraj open the bowling, I think Deepak is so good at per play overs. So I would like him to be in the starting few overs. Along with that, Harshal Patel can finish the bowling, and Venkatesh Iyer and Akshar Patel can ball middle overs. So this is what I am thinking. Along with that, definitely Yasvinder Chahal is the lone spinner in the team, along with Akshar Patel, who is like an all-rounder. So as a spinner, I am taking Yasvinder Chahal. Uh, Coming to Yasvinder Chahal's performance in Syed Mustaq Ali was not that good, but again I want to keep him because when he comes for India, he becomes a different player. So that's why I want to keep him in the team. So this is my playing 11. As you guys all know, one of the best partnerships in cricketing world was of Dravid and Lakshman in test matches, and the best partnership was told to be the Kolkata partnership, uh, in which they made Australian bowlers pay. So similarly, right now also Indian cricket has been taken over by those Fab Four players itself over there. If you see, as a captain, when Ganguly was captain, he used to have his trusted people around him. Similarly, right now also Ganguly has his trusted people as coach as well as NCA head. So Dravid will be the coach of Indian cricket team. So along with that, Lakshman has been given a responsibility of heading National Cricket Academy, so that he can produce uh, few good players for Indian cricket team. So all the best for both of them. Along with that, we had one funny tweet in recent days, which has been going around in Twitter. So uh, David Warner's wife Candy has been tweeting that she was harsh on SRH management. She was telling out of form David Warner is now player of the tournament. So he played very well in the World Cup tournament, but he was dropped by SRH management. So what she's trying to portray over here is dropping Warner and making him sit in sidelines was one of the biggest mistake of SRH management. So she's trying to point out that, but yeah, uh, I can't comment much on this. But I don't think SRH will be retaining Warner anymore. They would be looking for some other player, and they might be even holding for Williamson as captain. So I think Warner is looking for a new start. Uh, I personally think that he might be going for either of the new teams, or he might be going for CSK or RCB, So please do comment and please do subscribe. I don't have much subscribers in my channel, so if you subscribe it will be a great help. Along with that, it will be a boost for me to produce good content.